Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the rear heated seat is located, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and also why it's super important to test fuses and relays and how to do that. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we're going to demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year but that same generation F-150, the video may be helpful. We're going to work right here guys on the fuse box that's under the hood. When you open your hood, right above the radiator guys, you're going to have that fuse box, and when you open it, you will face it that way. You will have the relays right here and fuses right there as well. Now let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now the fuse that we need to check guys, it's in that row right here, and if we start on the very right side where the square fuses are, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The 20 amp fuse guys, right here, that fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the rear heated seat. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. Those could be quite expensive at a parts store. Thank you for watching and see you next time.